Hello viewers, welcome to Innovate Teaching Channel. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the main important concepts from philosophical foundations of education, that is nature and scope of philosophy of education. The concepts that we are going to cover through this presentation are interpretation of human nature, interpretation of aims and ideals of education, relationship of various components of the education system, relationship of education and various areas of national life, educational values, and finally theory of knowledge and its relationship to education. See friends, the nature and scope of philosophy of education is concerned with the problems of education. Those problems mainly include interpretation of human nature, the world and the universe and their relation with human, interpretation of aims and ideals of education, the relationship of various components of the educational system, relationship of education and various areas of national life such as economic system, political order system, social progress system, cultural reconstruction system, etc. Educational values and the problems in theory of knowledge and its relationship to education. First, let us discuss the main problem, interpretation of human nature. A philosophical picture of human nature is a result of the synthesis of facts which were borrowed from all the human science, which includes all the values discussed in different normative sciences. The philosophical picture, therefore, is a broader as compared to the picture of man drawn by biology, sociology, psychology, economics, and anthropology, and other human sciences as well. Next problem, aims and ideals of education philosophy. The aims and ideals have been propagated by various philosophers in different times, different ages. Character building, man making, harmonious human development, preparation of adult life, development of citizenship, utilization of leisure time, training for civic life, training for international living, achieving social and national integration, scientific and technological development, education for all, equalizing educational opportunities, strengthening democratic political order, human source development. These are all aims and ideals of education philosophy which were propagated by various philosophers. Next problem, relationship of education and various area of national life and their components of educational system. One of the most important contributions of philosophy of education to the cause of education is the provision of criteria for deciding the relationship of state and education, economic system and education, curriculum, school organization and management, discipline, teacher-pupil relationship, and method of teaching, textbooks. These are all the cause of education which has a provision of criteria for deciding the relationship of educational system. Next problem is educational values. Value is typically a philosophical subject since it is more abstract, integral, and universal. Philosophy of education not only critically evaluates the values but also systemizes them in a hierarchy. Okay, it has some priorities. Educational values are determined by philosophical values and are propagated by different philosophers that have been derived from their own world view and their outlook on the purpose of human life. Therefore, a scrutiny of the world views, outlook, beliefs is the specific function of philosophy and it is very essential for the philosophical treatment of the values. The last problem concerned with the philosophy of education is theory of knowledge. Education is related to the knowledge. It is determined by the source, limits, criteria, and means of knowledge. The discussion of all these falls within the jurisdiction of epistemology. Epistemology is one of the main branches of philosophy. Therefore, it is an important area of functioning of philosophy of education, which is related to the theory of knowledge. Yeah, this is a tree which is said to be as philosophy. Let's assume it. And these are the various branches of philosophy. Just this is for your clarification and understanding. Okay guys, I am signing off. Thank you. Bye.
Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.